how does it benefit the consumers? When the owner of the house thinking of selling their home today, when they hire a real estate agent, the traditional real estate model, all the agents do put a for sale sign in front of the house and passively waiting for the buyers to come in. Right? Think about it. If you're selling your home, you hire me. How do you feel if all I do put a for sale sign in front of your house and waiting passively on an hour's open house, kick you out of your own home and waiting for buyers to come in? So that's the reason why at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, we redefine that. We change how real estate industry works. So when the consumers, when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, right now in my database, we already have over 45,000 buyers ready, willing, and able to buy, looking to buy homes right now.
Does that mean that they are qualified already with a mortgage? They're able to buy financially? You qualify them, pre-qualify them?
Yes, so when the buyers call in our office, the first thing is our administrative staff team input it into our database. Then our inside sales team check the timing and motivation, and then to book a face-to-face appointment with our buyers, with our outside sales team. Our outside sales team then check, pre-qualified, pre-approved, connected with the lenders. In fact, Julie, when you're selling your home, when you receive an offer from our team, the offers that we present to you, the owner of the house, there is no loan contingencies. We do what's called a full loan underwriter's approval to all of our VIP buyers clients. So think about it. So when the owner of the house hire our team to sell their home, it's as if I've been working for you long before we met.
I like that. And you know, I also had read about your analogy to a doctor's office. You had another one. Can you tell us a little bit about that too? Because I love that. That makes it so clear.
Real estate industry, real estate agents is the only industry that the one person do everything. It's like juggling all the balls by themselves. Imagine, how do you feel? You go to a doctor's office. The doctor is the one who's looking for the customers. You come in, the doctors actually do everything. No, it doesn't work like that. So when we talk about at Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, when we talk about redefining the job of a real estate agent, all we simply do, we create what's called a specialization, meaning each individual person has a specific role in the transaction. Just like when you walk into a doctor's office, we have the marketing department, we have the nurse taking your information.
Not the doctor?
Right? How can you imagine? So the doctors only do what change the outcome. How do you feel if you go to a doctor? How do you feel you go to a brain surgeon and the brain surgeon spend 70-80% of their time prospecting for a new patient?
Or writing down your insurance information, or taking a blood pressure.
So I'm not. Everything is important, right? Every single one of those, taking the blood pressure, taking the blood, those are all important. However, don't you want your doctors to really be good, to be really specialized in what they do best? So that's all we are doing in our company. In our team system, in our team model, all we are doing is that each individual person specializes in what they do best. So the marketing, the advertising person, they do what they do best. We leverage billboards, we leverage the radio, we leverage the TV, we leverage the media to generate ready, willing, and able buyers and sellers to call.